How to make social media influencer website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. It may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. Then you need to click this button, get started, and choose what type of website you want to create. So we need social media website, and you can just choose this one, or you can try to uh, type influ. So social networks, I think this is the best for us. People and society, social services, no. Let's work with this one. Anyway, this is not really important. uh, what do you want to do with your website? So here you need to choose purposes of your website, what you want to do. Basically, for social medias influencer, you need to maybe sell memberships, collect donations, publish a blog or other media, basically. uh, Maybe promote something if you want to build a community, maybe sell products, maybe you want to sell some merch, or sell services. So basically whatever you want here. Maybe you want to sell online courses. uh, Feel free to choose whatever you want. So now, how would you like to start building your website? You can browse templates or you can build with AI. I'm not a big fan of artificial intelligence, honestly, so I really like to choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. That's why I'll pick this one. Now all you have to do, you need to choose the template that you think is the best for you. Also here you can manage some stuff about templates. For example, if you don't want to sell courses, you need to unselect this one. Or if you don't want to get donations, you need to unselect donations. Or maybe you want to have a one-page website, so you need to select this one. uh, If you don't like any of those templates, don't worry. You can easily edit it. This is just a template. You can work with this template. You can fully rework template. Uh, so basically you can pick this one about plants, or something about garden and farm, and you can rework it. You can do it about yourself. You can put your image instead of this image. You can put your text about instead of this text about community garden located in heart of Brooklyn. So don't worry. uh, just for an example, uh, I don't know what to pick. Uh, so found something interesting in this topic, personal and CV. You can switch topics to find whatever you want. I think I need to work with this template because this is like personal template, and you can easily rework it and do the site about you, not the about Otto Steiger. So let's start with this design. And while everything loading, let me tell you guys that squarespace.com is the best option to create your website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use website to create your own website. But now we need to create site name. For example, my name is Led, and I'm gonna make the site about myself. So let the influencer, for example, like this. And In the left here you have some stuff you can manage it. For example, you can manage something about products and services, invoicing, content and memberships, donations, scheduling. Also you can check the analytics here, check the traffic, amount of visits, amount of unique visitors, page views, even the geography of your visitors. Very interesting page here. But now you need to check pages. You can add a new page here, or you can delete some of them, but we have only one because I chose one page for some reason. Styles, you can change styles because now it's like black and white. You can use ready-made professionally made themes, for example playful, this one or this one, or you can make your theme just by changing fonts, colors, buttons, whatever. You need to reload. And now let me show you how to work with editing, but need to save this. And now we can edit this. You can edit everything here. You can move it, you can change the size like this, you can even delete this picture, you can work with this text as I already showed you. You can move it, drag it, whatever, or you can select it, or you can delete it and write up something about you. For example, my name is Vlad and I'm influencer. Mm, welcome to my personal website, just for an example. And you can scale it, you can change the color here, you can work with this text, you can change it, you can do whatever you want, you can underscore it. So also you can add some stuff, for example your image, just add a block image. Also you can add text here, you can add button, you can add video or audio, whatever you want. You can add a quote, calendar, code, summary, social links here, but we already have social links, so you can delete it. So first of all, text, I don't know, write whatever you want here. And image, how to work with image, just click and you can upload a picture from your computer, upload file, or you can even use free Squarespace's image. Just for an example, I'm gonna use them, but you can upload your image from your computer or even upload it from mobile device, as you can see here. For example, I'm gonna use this image, doesn't really matter. Anyway, you'll use another one. And button, you can edit button, you can edit this text, for example, subscribe, and you can attach a link here, maybe another website or social media, something about. You can enter a link of your Instagram here easily, and when user will press this button, he will be redirected to your Instagram page. For example, you can do whatever you want. So also you can delete whole section like this, and you can add a new section like this, and you can work with backgrounds. For example, this section you can do it bigger, and you can use a background edit section, background, and you can add an image as a background or even video as a background or art, like this. Or you can change the color of background easily, whatever. So guys, in general the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you to try this yourself, to try to work with this website. Everything is easy, the entire interface of the site is very clear to any user. So I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website, and when you're done editing your website, save changes, click exit, and you want to publish it maybe. So to be able to publish your website, you'll need to subscribe. You will need to select a plan, simple prices, only pay for what you really need, and when you're done, you'll get publish button instead of this subscribe button. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching guys, and see you soon. Goodbye.